Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. There's a warm sky covering the night. In the darkness, I only feel the light. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. When I'm lonely, your voice is in my head, and my memory feeds my soul with all the things you said. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. Every time I close my eyes, I see your face. Every time I close my eyes, I look around me over sandy shores to a far horizon, and it's unexplored. The magic's here before my eyes, endless ocean, cloudless skies, barbaric islands, seductive sounds. Dawn is breaking on exotic ground, and I look at you, almost in play, and I see you rising up to lead the way. Sisters of the sun, shine down. Sisters of the sun, shine on. Shine on. Feel the motion. What is it we've done? Our minds connected as we move as one. Sunshine dancing on the waves, on the waterfall cascade. Bathed in light that mystifies, lost in the beauty of natural highs. And I look at you before we go to the familiar place that we both know. Sisters of the sun, shine down. Sisters of the sun, shine on. Sisters of the sun, shine down. Sisters of the sun, shine on. Am I wrong to feel this way? Do my tears fall down in the darkness? Or do you see them all from a distance? And will you come to me and make them go away? A little closer is where you need to be. A little closer is where you need to be. Close. clothes again, he sees a dark market of labor. You're in his sins. They break the most beautiful things. But I hear violins